Hey oilies, it's Abby. I just wanted to stop and take a minute to show you a little bit about the Loyalty Rewards Points program. So LRP is what it's called for short. The benefits of the LRP is this. You get your shipping back in points for the next month. So if you pay $3.99 in shipping this month, you will get $4 back next month in points that you can spend on any item with doTERRA that you want. Also, you get anywhere from 10 to 30% back in points every month from the previous month. So in a year of buying doTERRA products, you can get 30% back anything that you buy. So if I buy $100 worth of product this month, next month I'll get $30 back in points, again, that I can spend on anything. So there's one thing that you have to realize with LRP. You need to be buying about $50 a month if you want to climb in the percentage back that you get. Most people, depending on their kit that they purchase, start out with 10% back. So if you want to keep going up and in a year be earning 30% back, you need to spend $50 a month. To keep your LRP going and stay where you are and keep your points, you need to spend at least one PV, $1. So PV means product value. Every single product on doTERRA.com, you will see a PV for, and I will show you that here in just a second. Let's go to doTERRA.com. So when you log in, if you have a new account, you're going to see something slightly different than this. You won't see this part right here. You will see this. When you click it, it'll say, you already have one. Do you wish to continue? Yes, I wish to continue. Now this will show you a couple of different things. Since I'm doing this late in the month, we're actually not going to see, we're not going to worry about June's calendar. We're going to see usually something like this. You'll see purple dates and you'll see green dates. The grayed out dates are days that you can process it manually, but it's not going to auto process out of your cart. You would have to go in and click process now. So anything in the purple, if you order over 125 PV or product value, you're going to get the free product of the month. This month it was Summer Savory. Next month it'll be something else. And not even advocates know until the 1st. It's a big surprise. So the other processing dates, you can order whatever you'd like. You're just not going to get the free product of the month. However, some months you'll have to watch your email. Most months they'll have a special offer. Like this month, even the last day of this month, if you order 200 PV, you're going to get a free balance, free aroma touch, and free past tense in your cart as doTERRA's gift to you. So keep watching your email so that you know what's up. If you would have done that before the 15th, you would have gotten the Summer Savory and those other 3 products. So you would just typically choose a date that you wanted to process, and then you click save and move on right there. But I've already got one. So if you've already got one set up, or after you click the save and continue, you're going to see something like this. So I'm going to give you the quick rundown. The one thing you always want to watch is over here. It's your PV, and you should see my mouse pointer on the screen. Your PV will dictate whether you get your free product of the month, how high you get in percentages, all of that stuff. So you want to keep an eye on that. It'll also tell you right underneath your estimated shipping points earned back, which you'll get back next month, and how much of your total order you will get back in points next month as well. This is how you change the date. This little icon right here is how you change your process date. And then you click whatever date you want it to process and you click save. So if I was to go in, say like my loyalty rewards order goes out on the 14th. If I were to go in the 13th and click proceed to checkout, process it out, and pay for everything, it would not reprocess that same month. So you don't have to worry about, if you process it early, it going out twice in 1 month. Another thing that I do want to tell you is always click for personal consumption. You don't want to be paying the retail tax instead of the wholesale tax. So we went over that. I've got a cheat sheet here to kind of help me remember everything. You can process this manually at any time. After you add orders to your cart, you can process it anytime just by clicking proceed to checkout. So if you're on one of those grayed out dates and you had to choose a different date, you can process anytime. So this is the quick add. What you do here is you just start typing an oil or a product if you know what you want, and you click it and it adds it to your cart. And that is super easy for those of us who knows it and know exactly what they want. Da, 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 da. Quick add, change date, went over that. Here's how you delete things out. You see this little trash bin? You just click it and it goes out of your cart. How you change the quantity is you just come here and you type 3 and press enter. And now I will be getting 3 of those. Now, one way that you can pay with your points is you can click, well, the way to pay with your points is you click here. And let's change the quantity of this to 2. I did this for a purpose. So this will always show you your remaining rewards points right here. That'll show you how many points you have to shop with. I just shopped a lot this month with points. So you click here and you can see I can buy 1 or 2 Slim and Sassy's with my points, right? So I'm going to click 1. Maybe I clicked it. There we go. And now you're going to see that the save and process on your future date is no longer there. You'll have to process it out today. That's just the way doTERRA keeps the points system straight. However, if you see that and you're like, I don't want to do that after all, you're just going to come over here and delete out the one that you paid for points, remembering to add it back in however you want later on. You can also edit this order up to midnight the night before it processes so that you can get exactly what you want every single time. And you can also, if my order goes out on the 14th, I can go in, decide what I want to pay with points and process it the 13th. That way it's not going to process again on the 14th, and that way I can use my points easily. Now let's look at the Lifelong Vitality Pack, because there's something very cool about the Lifelong Vitality Pack that I want everybody to see. So when you add our vitamins, well, doTERRA's vitamins, the Lifelong Vitality Pack, you get the option to customize with adding different supplements at a greatly reduced cost. So everything is $20. That includes the Deep Blue Polyphenol Complex, which is regularly $59.50 wholesale cost. So on top of the 25% off you're already getting, you're going to get another $39.50 off of it. So I always add at least a couple of those, and like the PB Assist, you're getting $14.50 extra beyond the wholesale price off of it. The kids vitamins, Ben's going to need one next month, is a savings of $14.50 as well, and it has all of those supplements on there. So you're going to click whatever you want to customize your kit, and you're going to click continue. The waiting song. And then it's going to show you the Lifelong Vitality Pack is there, and you're getting the promo price on these 3 things because there's 2 of those. So that is the cool thing about the Lifelong Vitality Pack that continues to save you money past just the 25% off, the points back that you're getting on it, and all of those things. I went over that and that. Okay, down here you can see your delivery options. You can ship to a different address if you need to. You get your shipping back in points the very next month. That means no matter what shipping you choose, even if it's like the $12 one, you'll get $12 back the next month for shipping. I showed you that. And I told you that. I think we've covered it all, guys. So when you're done editing your LRP or your first LRP, you're going to press save and process on that date. And then it is going to show you this really freaking cool screen that just is a brief rundown. It says, success, your order will process on July 14th. We'll keep you notified. And they do email you 1 to 2 business days, depending on if it falls on a Sunday or not. 1 to 2 business days before your LRP goes out, and just tells you, hey, just so you know, your loyalty rewards program shipment is about to go out. You might want to edit that if you haven't. So you will get that reminder. And then it shows you everything that you're getting plus the free product of the month. And it shows you your subtotal, your tax and shipping, and your PV total, and your estimated shipping points earned. So that's how you know that everything's good, and it'll even show you your estimated delivery date. How cool is that? It'll show you everything's good, we've got everything that we need, and you're good to go. And then you just log out of your account and boom, done. I can edit my LRP if I, have a list of what I want, because I keep a doTERRA shopping list. I can edit it in less than 5 minutes all day long. So if you need help, if you need troubleshooting, if you need something beyond this video, always message me, guys. I am very approachable. I can help you even over the phone do this. I know it that well. So if you need help, if you need anything, please let me know, oilies. Until the next time, stay oily.